Ever wondered how some of the greatest minds in history started their mornings? Today we're diving into the Stoic morning routine that not only sets a powerful tone for the day, but also brings clarity, focus, and resilience. Stick around for 7 things you should do every morning to master your day the Stoic way. Number 1. Wake up early. First up, rise early. The Stoics believed in making the most of the day. As Marcus Aurelius once said, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive." Waking up early gives you the quiet time to reflect, plan, and start your day without the rush. It's your chance to set the tone. Number 2. Practice gratitude. Before diving into tasks, take a moment to reflect on what you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your mindset to positivity. The Stoics were big on focusing on what we have, rather than what we lack. It's a powerful practice to begin your day with a mindset of abundance. Number 3. Visualize the day ahead. Next, visualize the day ahead. The Stoics called this premeditatio malorum, or premeditation of evils. Imagine the challenges you may face and how you can respond calmly and rationally. This isn't about being pessimistic. It's about preparing your mind so you're not caught off guard when things don't go as planned. Number 4. Focus on what you can control. The 4th step is to focus only on what you can control. The Stoics teach us that worrying about things outside our control, like other people's opinions or random events, wastes energy. Instead, direct your focus towards your actions, responses, and choices. Number 5. Morning exercise. Physical health was crucial to the Stoics. Exercise clears the mind and strengthens the body. Even a short walk, yoga session, or stretch can be enough to energize your morning. Remember, a healthy body fuels a healthy mind. Number 6. Journal your thoughts. Journaling is an excellent way to sort through emotions and thoughts. It was a common practice for Stoic leaders like Marcus Aurelius. Writing helps you reflect on your actions and align your thoughts with your values. This practice can ground you for the challenges ahead. Number 7. Set your intentions. Lastly, set your intentions for the day. Stoics believed in living with purpose. Ask yourself, what's important today? What will help me move closer to my goals? With clear intentions, your day has meaning, and you're less likely to get distracted. And that's the Stoic morning routine. Simple but powerful steps to master your day. Try these out tomorrow, and let us know how it changes your mindset. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more life-changing routines and tips. Drop a comment below and share your favorite morning ritual.